Okay, once again, hello and welcome to Teacher Sean's online math class. Okay, as you know, we are doing this online class for the purpose of staying safe during the COVID-19 outbreak. Okay, a small reminder, as I always do in each and every one of my videos, please wash your hands and also um, put on a mask when you're outside and practice social distancing. Okay, stay safe, my students. All right, last class we learned about division with equation. Okay, we use division to find the two equations of an equation. All right, and I hope that everyone has also what do you call this? I hope everyone has answered my questions. I have 10 questions prepared for you. Please do answer it as I will be checking your answers the next time we meet. Okay. I also will be checking if you understand the subject. If you don't understand, you can always rewind the video. You can always repeat, rewatch the video. Okay. Anytime you want. All right. Let's move on to our fourth topic for Unit 2, equations, which is equation word problems. All right, equation word problems. Now, the steps for solving word equations start with step one, which is making word problems into a mathematical sentence. I hope everyone understands what that means. You have to convert the word problems into mathematical sentence. Okay, step two, solve the mathematical problem. Simple as that. Solve it. And step three, write the answer. I will be showing you an example on how to do step one, two, and three. All right, let's move on. Our first example. Everyone, please read. A book has 45 pages. You have read 15 pages. There are B, more pages to read. Find the value of B. Okay, so B is our variable. It's an alphabet or a quantity that we don't know. Okay, there is no number. We don't know how many pages. Okay, so here is our process. Step one is to write the mathematical sentence. As you look back in the previous slide, we have our number. First number is 45 pages. That is the total pages of the book. And our second number is 15 pages. That is the total number of pages that you have read. Okay, so we have 45 total and 15 read pages. Now let's try and go to the next slide. So our mathematical sentence is 45 pages minus 15. Why minus 15? Because 15 is the number of books or pages we have read. Okay, so we have to deduct or we have to minus that. Okay, so our equation is 45 minus 15 equals B. That is our mathematical sentence. Now for our second step, which is the method, we write the total number or the total pages, which is 45 pages. And on the second one, we write number read. Okay, number of pages that we have read, which is 15 pages. Now we have to subtract. Okay, we have to subtract right here. And then we can find the value of B. Okay, B is the number of pages left to read. Okay, so we have 30 pages to read. Okay, that is 45 minus 15 is equal to 30 pages. Now our step three is to write the answer. How do we write the answer? Right here, we write the value of B is 30. And under that, we also write there are 30 pages to be read. Okay, please do take notes of the process of writing the mathematical sentence, the method, and the answer. as I will be checking later on. All right, let's move on to the next page. We have example 2 right here. Everyone, please read along with me and go. Your father receives a bonus from his employer. He buys a refrigerator for 8,500 baht. He still has a balance of 3,000 baht. How much money did he receive from his employer? All right, now that's a lot of words to keep track of, to read as well. Okay, so what we can do is, let's see, what we can do is highlight or underline the most important parts of the sentence. So he received a bonus from his employer and he bought a refrigerator for 8,500 baht. There you go. That's important. Okay, the first number is 8,500 baht. That is the cost of the refrigerator. And now he still has a balance of 3,000 baht. That's our second important part of the story. He has a balance of 3,000 baht after buying 8,500 baht. Now, the question is, how much money did he receive from his employer? So what do we do? What's our operation? Do we multiply, subtract, add, divide? Since we are looking for how much total money did he receive, that means we have to add. Okay, we have to add 8,500 baht and 3,000 baht. Okay, let's go to the other side. Let me erase this first. Let's go to the other side or the next slide. Okay, here is the process of our mathematical sentence. Now, make it bigger. There you go. First step, mathematical sentence is 8,500, which is the cost of the refrigerator, plus 3,000 baht, which is the amount of money he has left after buying the refrigerator. Okay, so 8,500 plus 3,000 equals M. M is our variable. We don't know how much M is. All right. Now let's move on to our second step, which is writing down the method. The total amount of the refrigerator is 8,500. And the remaining balance or the amount of money he has left is 3,500. Now we are going to find the value of M, which is the total amount of money he received from his employer. So how much money did his dad receive? If we add together 8,500 plus 3,000, we get 11,500 baht. That is a lot of money. Okay, that's a lot of bonus. Okay, so we have our answer. Now our last step is to write number 3 or step 3, the answer. The answer is the value of M is 11,500 baht. And under that, we also write he received 11,500 baht bonus. Okay, now we just solved our second problem. I hope everyone understands. If you do not understand or if you need more information, you can always go back to the video, or you can always ask your parents if they can help, if they are around to help. All right, so that, please take note of the process of how we write the mathematical sentence, the method, and the answer. All right, now for our do-it-yourself, we have questions here, okay? I will be just going through 5 seconds per each slide. So you can always pause the video. All right, this is our first question. Please write the mathematical sentence, the method, and the answer. Okay, the way I taught you how to do. If you don't know, you can always rewind, go back. Okay. Second, make sure you are also answering these questions. Okay, if you have not answered subtraction with equation, addition with equations, multiplication with equations, and division with equations, please do so. I will be checking your answers. Okay. If you need help, you can always ask your parents to help you read and to help you solve the problem. All right. Very good. We only have 5 questions, but take note, each question is worth 2 points. Okay. One for the correct process of writing the mathematical sentence, the method and the answer, and and 1 point for writing the correct answer. Okay. All right. And that is our last question. You can always pause to write it down. Okay. I hope everyone is doing all right. I hope everyone understands my lessons. You can always ask your parents for help. And I'll see you tomorrow or the next time for your next lesson. Bye.